Hi, thanks for joining me again. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the body shape of your lettering. Every alphabet has a family style, and all the letters within the alphabet have a relationship. Let me show you what I mean. If you think of the O shape as the mother shape of all letters, the shape of the O determines the shape of the other letters in the alphabet. I'm going to start with a round, open O shape. See how this appears in all the other letters. Because we're doing modern and not traditional calligraphy, we can play with that O, increasing and decreasing its size, but never change its shape, so that the alphabet has a unity. If I keep changing the O shape throughout my work, it looks messy. So whenever you're thinking about a new project, consider the body shape of your lettering. If you were doing a Halloween invitation, a body shape that was narrow and spiky would give you a sinister look. For a wedding invite, an open, rounded style is better. So join me again when I'll be showing you how the angle of your calligraphy can give it style.